The Opera browser offers users the built-in VPN functionality. Basically, it works more like a proxy. The browser itself is very intuitive, and its VPN can be turned on and off by clicking the power button at the top left. It uses AES 256 encryption, ensuring highly secure data transfers. These are its main features: free, easy to use, built-in ad blocker, proxy with AES 256 encryption, no data limits. Download the file in the video description and follow the simple instructions. For those who want complete and secure anonymity, we recommend installing Tor browser directly from the App Store integrated into MODICIA OS.